How you doing? Can I see an ID, please? I'm with Air Force Office Special Investigations.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Bunny Boots Inc. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Have you ever asked yourself what would happen if you were approached by the military police and military investigative units outside of a military base for filming the military base and said nothing? Well, in today's video, the auditor only says to them, "I am exercising my Fifth Amendment right." Let's just say that that was not well received. Well, let's check out this video and see what you think about it.
Is there a reason that won't show me your ID?
Turn the camera that way, off my face. Get it off away from the base. Get your camera off the base.
Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing? You okay?
Not talking.
Not talking? Alright. Now, can you tell me, or can I see what you're taking? Make sure you just take a picture of the static display of the aircraft. Can I see that? Can you show me that? Yes? No? Some sort of acknowledgement? If you're only taking pictures of the static display, it's okay. You can do that. That's perfectly fine. I just need to verify that's all you're taking pictures of. Is there any way I can do that, please? Hey, all I need to do is just see what you're taking pictures of, man. Alright? I'm not here to do anything else. I just need to verify you're taking pictures of what you're allowed to take pictures of. Can you just do that for me? Yes? No? Will you help me out? All I want to do is verify what you're taking pictures of. That's it. Can you help me out, man? I mean, you can be cooperative, you can just show me what you're taking pictures of, it'll be all good, a good day. Or not, we're gonna actually confiscate your camera, we'll put you under apprehension, and we'll take you down to the actual police station and get it sorted out that way. I'm trying to do this peacefully and resolve it easily. Can you help me out? Please?
Exercise my Fifth Amendment right.
been here about 20 minutes. 20 minutes and 46 seconds. This battery's about to die too.
What's going on, partner? You know why these folks are out here? Do you know why you're forbidden to go past taking pictures? I'll explain to you the whole thing, okay? You know the anniversary of 9/11's coming up, right? So everybody's real touchy and very wary of things going on the anniversary of 9/11. If you don't mind you taking pictures, display pictures, okay? Go beyond this gate and stuff, and we got a problem. Am I getting through to you? Okay, so you can take pictures of the airplane, whatever else you want, but if we catch you around the perimeter, then we're going to charge you with trespassing. And we'll go downtown, and we'll talk in front of a judge. Not a state judge, but a federal judge. Okay? Am I getting through to you? You can stay here all you want. Like I said, you go beyond that building right there, on the property, and you get the right credentials, we're going to escort you downtown to the federal magistrate. Are we clear? Or are you just going to stand there like a statue? Or like that static display there? So, and these guys will tell you the same thing. Okay? We don't want any problems, you don't want any problems with the federal magistrate. Because all this is federal property. Okay? If you have no business being down here, it's, you know, then you're in trouble, you're trespassing. And that could be, I believe, a $100,000 fine and up to 5 years in jail, or both. And you don't need that kind of problems, okay? As I said, you don't mind you taking pictures of the static display out here. We don't even mind you going out by Boniface. But once you start inside that perimeter, start taking pictures, especially out for the anniversary of 9/11, we got problems, okay? So there's your warning. All right? Anything else? So all I can say is take as many pictures you want. We're going to go 4. But once you're inside that perimeter or getting close to that perimeter, like we warned you, we'll hook you up and we'll take you down to the federal magistrate. Okay? You can put all the stuff there that you want. It's the law. Okay? So take your pictures, have fun. Like I said, once you're inside that perimeter, you got problems. I don't care if you take pictures of the flag, this, that, right? But once you start going inside and taking stuff that we don't want you to take pictures of, you got big problems. Right? Especially with the anniversary of 9/11 going on. If you don't know who you are, you don't really care at this point. So we start finding out what you do. Kind of cause problems disrupting our operations here. Okay? Clear? So by your blank stare on your face, I take it you got it. So, like I said, have fun taking pictures. Don't go inside of the area. That's all I need to say. Anything else I'm missing?
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and head over to Bunny Boots Inc.'s YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.